My generation, love is at the bottom of the totem pole. Success is at the top. Get it through your heads. Stop focusing on this little girl, little boy right now, because trust me, probably in about 5 to 10 years, they ain't even gonna be there. And trust me, probably about in a couple months, you're probably gonna break up anyway, okay? Let me tell you something. Love is at the bottom of the totem pole right now. It should be kissing your freaking feet, bowing at you. You should be walking, throwing, kicking dirt over love right now. Success should be all up in here. It should be what is the main thing on your mind, alright? Because success is what is going to ultimately better you in the end. If you put a relationship above success, you put in a relationship above yourself. And then you forget yourself and you're over here worried about this one person, what they doing, what you doing. You going crazy over this one person when you need to be focused on what you need to do. Alright? So before you even think about texting that dude in class or writing that love note in class, not paying attention, think about where you want to be in 10, 15 years. Because trust me, that person is probably not going to be there. But your career and education and your decisions that you make now are what's going to be there. Alright? So, money, I don't care what nobody says, money, success, education is above love. Love ain't nothing right now. You need to think about that, and it's getting on my nerves because that's all I see. I don't see nobody talking about how they want their education, blah blah blah. They always talking about how they so much in love with this person, how they want to spend time with this person. Spend time with your books. Spend time learning something new. Spend time bettering yourself, going out and trying to, you know, explore your talents. What is really you? Okay? No. That's all I really got to say. But it's pissing me off. Yeah, I said pissed off. I don't care who watched this video, but love last, money first. Without money you ain't nothing. Without money you can't get nothing. Without money you're broke on the side of the street, can't eat, you ain't got no place to stay, because ain't nobody gonna want your broke self. The person you love, oh yeah, you broke, see how long they gonna be with you? Not that long. They want money too, trust me. And then they leave you, or you broke. Who gonna want a broke chick or nigga, for real? Nobody. So you think about that next time you wanna be glorifying all these relationships, blah blah blah. And you know what? The problem doesn't even immediately lie with just how you guys are thinking, because you are influenced by the media, BET and TV. All they show our relationships and love and sex. Trust me, it's not that great. Learn how to use your brain. Be above the influence. You know, BET showing all these videos about love, sex, blah blah blah. But those artists making those songs, they already at where they need to be. They're making their money. They ain't even think about love. They got money. Do you have money? Think about that. Are you where you want to be in life? Really? Just think about that, because love's not that important. I'm single, I'm happy, I'm getting what I need to be. 18 years old, dude is the last thing on my life, like on my mind, and I'm happier than I ever been. Trust me, really. You don't need nobody. You'll be just fine. Just get what you need to do and focus on what you need to do, and you'll succeed in life. Words to the wise.